Oh! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy YC10Z, you feel me? Blogger slash vlog. I give y'all some of their life, and I give y'all some of my life. Make sure y'all tune in, hit that like button, like, comment, and subscribe. I don't got no intro, but this is the intro, you feel me?
And I'm live with Mr. TMZ Baltimore.
TMZ Baltimore, man. I give y'all some of their life, and I give y'all some of my life. Nice, I get. Y'all see that? Really get nice with the can. Y'all ain't gonna be able to guard me. I'm telling y'all. Watch how nice I get with the camera, though. Y'all think it's a game. I'm gonna get nice. Might go take pictures of the Ravens Stadium right now. And I'm gonna show y'all how they look when I'm done. Cool to taking pictures of Baltimore City. They ain't really doing nothing. I got my nephew holding the camera. He gonna be a blogger when he get older, ain't you? Let him know.
Yeah.
What you gonna be?
A blogger. That's like my uncle.
Hold it up. Yo. He gone. Oh, almost slipped. Oh. Chill out for you fall, man. Walking over here by the Ravens Stadium. Probably take a few little pics for real. I look in the snow. No, ain't nothing too much. Just chilling. Just taking pictures of the city for real. Baltimore, you know. Right here by the Ravens Stadium right there by the Chicken Flicks. Hold on. Oh, it's a blizzard out here. It's a real blizzard. Just had to get some quick photos in real quick. You know what's going on, man. I see TMZ, man. Couple quick photos, man. Feel me? I should get the trucks in there. Hold on, man. Hold on, okay. Let me go ahead and get them trucks in there too. Had to get the snow plow in there, man. Had to get the scooter. Y'all know. Quick little video, you feel me? Just around taking pictures, chilling. Nothing too much. Y'all know what's going on, man. YC TMZ, blogger slash vlogger. I give y'all some of their life and I give y'all some of my life. Look, my nephew. Bad as shit. It's my brand right here. The Monet Zone. Ah. Oh, let me get let me see what else I should get. Hold this, Mookizzle.
On my face, yo. On my face.
My lens was like, had water on it, so I don't know if the picture's gonna come out right, but I took a couple for real. Hey, practice make perfect. I mean, that's what they say. Practice make perfect. Y'all know what they say. We got one more place we gotta go. Right here, and then we gonna go home. Go ahead. We're gonna take this picture on Martin Luther King Boulevard. Come on, get out the street, man. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the Orioles Stadium in there and picture for her. Is that the Orioles? Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can get them in there. For real, for real. Dang, this snow getting deep. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The snow definitely getting deeper. Oh, you gotta calm down before you bust your head, man. So I'm gonna get the Orioles Stadium right here. I'm gonna get that in the pit. I'm gonna get the highway. For real. Don't go over that, move, man. Stay right here, cause them cars. Don't go right there. Come back, school back some, cause them cars dangerous. So I'm about to try to get the road real slippery, y'all. So make sure y'all be careful. For real. I'm gonna try to get the stadium real quick. We try to get the stadium. So y'all, my nephew about to slide down the hill. Go ahead. Oh, not like that, man. Oh. 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 Oh, y'all was waiting for an outro? I ain't got no outro.